My name is Alana Jenkins. I'm the pre-K to 6th grade STEM teacher at Lambertville Public School and West Amwell School. And I teach STEM classes. They're 40 minutes a week, so I see every class. And we go through different project-based learning challenges. I teach robotics, coding, problem solving, critical thinking skills. Family STEM Night was an event that we had last month for students pre-K to 6th grade to come and use their engineering brains and all the skills we've been working on in class to build and create things with their families.
It was a great experience. We had close to 60 children there with their parents and families and loved ones, and a number of staff members attended as well. And it was just great to see the students engaged hands-on and able to interact with one another, be collaborative with one another, with their parents too. It was just really obvious that they were learning while really having a great time.
You can just see the joy and the excitement in the students' eyes.
Being back in a room with all these people and watching kids' faces light up was the best thing ever. It was interesting to see them implement what we talk about in the school setting and use those keywords and phrases with their families. STEM should be fun, and to see them realize what they were doing and achieve their goals and make connections is really what it's all about. We had 3 stations. One was a cup stacking. We had all different types of materials, and the students were able to design towers and knock them down. It was really cool. We had students that had towers up to here. The cups were more themed around structural engineering. We had big cups, small cups. I even threw, I think, pool noodles in there. And it was really to teach them how different materials interact, and just really seeing how they could use common everyday materials to make something new. The other one was Marshmallow Towers, which is a classic and a favorite, and we put a Halloween twist on it. Marshmallows and toothpicks are not great building materials. So as they're building, it gets bigger and bigger, and they're like, this is great, I'm gonna keep building. And then the whole thing just collapses. It's like, oh man, how do I fix this? So really problem solving, how can I use these limited resources to make something that's stable, strong, and can hold a substantial amount of weight? And the third was making bracelets using binary coding, which is what computers use. And students made their initials using binary code.
When the students came in, they all kind of went to their different pods, and they just started exploring right away. It was just an event that was truly just imaginative and cooperative. And there were some guides on the table, suggested ways to build, and a lot of students did decide to use those, but a lot of them just let their creativity take over, and as far as I'm concerned, there's nothing better than that.
The caterpillars they're called codapillars, and they teach basic programming to students at the preschool kindergarten level, and each component of the caterpillar has a different direction on it. So they program the caterpillar where to go, so they set all the dials and watch the caterpillar. I love STEM because it's creative, it's a different way of thinking. I try to teach students to not be afraid to share their ideas and what you think. And really you never know, you could solve a huge problem without even realizing it. Everyone is capable and everyone can love STEM. It's such a broad field that there's something in it for everyone. And what I try to instill in every student is that they are an engineer from a young age, that they can and that they're capable.
Look what we made!
I would love to have another STEM night. I would love to have one once a month. But I'm hoping this year my goal is to have 3.